Unbelievable. The markets push through resistance. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, August 25th, 2014. And the market's overall bullish territory. The banks confirming. However, the VIX not. VIX saying, hey, it's a little scary up here at these upper echelons. So we do tick higher by 2%. Gold off, silver off. Utilities, which is the defensive sector, up 0.55%. And take a look here, the S&P 500. We had resistance. We come across after an extended 2+ week rally. We stall out with what we call a pivot candle, lower high, lower low, and reversal pattern at a resistance point. And we had the MACD giving us a negative tick on the histogram, so that tells us we do have a crossover. Everything was pointing to break down right here, technically speaking, but nope, we go higher yet again, defying gravity, pushing through resistance, push through very strongly. And take a look here at the weekly chart, making all-time highs in the S&P 500. Never has the market been this high. So starting off this Monday, making all new highs. The problem is, do you see how we're going higher here? Let me draw a line from here to here. This red line's going upward. The problem is the MACD line is going downward. So we're pushing higher here. The question is, for the next few weeks, can we touch this resistance point? We've been touching it. We missed it, technically speaking, back here in June. The question is to round out this year, can we get back to this resistance level? It's anybody's guess. And taking a look at some VIX here, we did say we did pop on a daily. You can see we have a bullish Harami reversal pattern with a hammer. So drop. It looks like it's ready to go higher. If this goes higher, that means the markets are going to go bearish. So I don't know if that'll happen, but here's a weekly chart on the VIX, a pull down to a support level. Monthly chart, we're at a support level on a monthly. And let's look at some tech stocks here. Apple, which I hold at resistance. We stalled out at a resistance point. And Amazon, starting to release off these moving averages. And I want to look at GoPro here. GoPro had this major run, now doing a sideways movement here. GoPro may be a buy. Look for more upside potential perhaps on GoPro. And I'm going to bring Taser in. I'm an owner of Taser, but Taser is making new highs, but last couple of days, even though we pushed higher, people are selling into those highs and they pulled back down into some negative territory. We got red candlesticks here. So it'd be interesting to see how that plays out. But I do know with the volume coming in, look at the big volume coming in the last few days here. If you look at a weekly chart and I pull in volume, look at this big volume we had last week. Big volume on this buy side. And we're starting off pretty strong the week so far. It'd be interesting to see if this thing can rally up higher. On a monthly chart, this is what it looks like. Big volumes for the month, big pop. It looks like this thing's just wanting to start marching higher. We may be at $20 before you know it. It'd be interesting to see. Again, I do hold this. So as a disclosure, take care, safe trading. And right down here, you can always watch our videos in full screen. And right here under the gear, you can watch it in high definition. We wish you guys the very best out there in the stock market. Share us with a friend.